Hello and welcome. This video is regarding the iRig Original and Amplitude. Now, when you have your guitar connected in here, then you have your headphones out, going out this way, but some people have said that they can't hear themselves while you're playing in real time, which yes, you can. So I want to go and show you where the issue might be. And so we have Amplitude here. And in order to get into the settings, you want to go up here. See these three lines? Go there. Okay, so now you have your settings, okay? So let's go back here. All right, so the issue for you guys might be in one of these options, okay? So when you're in the main screen of the settings, you can see that we have our level and we have level out right here, which is a balance level. All right, but the issue might be where you see where it says built-in mic monitoring. Make sure that that's turned on, okay? So if that's turned off, that might be why you're not getting any sound. And the other part is this one here too, monitoring during playback. Make sure you turn that on as well. So you make sure that those things are on, and that might solve your issue. So you got to go into the settings of Amplitude. Latency, make sure that's ultra low. I'm not going to get into all these because I don't want to make this a tutorial about settings, but that's essentially how it could be something that is easy fix like that. If that doesn't work, it could be your cable. That might be something that you want to investigate. Maybe your cables might be messed up. Maybe that cable. By the way, if you have an old iPhone, this is a lightning adapter that's being connected so I can plug in my iRig, my old iRig. So there you go. Hope that solves the issue in the settings. If it's not, then check your cables. If it still doesn't work, it could be maybe you have a newer iPhone and the settings might be slightly different. But that's about it. Oh, bonus, by the way, when you're first plugging in and you have your amp, make sure that that is turned off, because if you turn it on, you're going to get a lot of, you can even hear the feedback even though it's coming through my headphones. You don't want that happening, so you want to make sure you turn that off. Make sure that before you even plug in your headphones, make sure that that is off. Otherwise, you're going to get a lot of feedback.